Hey guys, it's Scott here from BOP, and I've got a really cool augmented reality tutorial in store for you all. Now, do you guys know what augmented reality is? Okay, if you don't, do you know what Pokemon Go is? Essentially, they're the same thing. Pokemon Go uses augmented reality. And if you don't know what either of that is, augmented reality is this really cool new medium that brings paper to life. It brings things to life on a screen for you. So you don't need any headsets or glasses like you do for virtual reality. It's all just on your own phone or tablet. So you can see here, we've got a piece of paper with a little code by it, kind of like a QR code. You scan that with your phone or tablet and it brings it to life with a really awesome 3D animation and whole world that comes around it. Now we've got a really cool tutorial planned because we're seeing this technology being used in schools across the country for all sorts of different subjects, from English to business, technology and more. And I can't wait to share these findings with you. So make sure to check out the link on the screen and I hope to see you all at the video soon. Bye guys!